All right, everybody, welcome back. Today I'm going to open up a box of KBO Superstar Season 1 of 2015. I don't believe I have a box break for this box set, so not box set, but box for this set. So I actually screwed up a recording already, so this is my first pack that I opened. I have this complete base set, so I'm not really concerned about these. I'll trade these to friends. I'm more concerned about the All-Stars, Big Stars, and Rookie Normals for this set. Lee Bumho is the big hit in this first set. He's a pretty good player. So I think I already have this one. So that's the one. These are the ones I'm going to be looking at in this rip. Ooh, oh, that hurt. That's the first card. I guess I can't really see it. Okay. Rookie card. I'm not sure if I have this one, so that might be a good hit. Then the stupid cards. All right, cool. So hopefully I don't need that. Or I do need it. I'll just go ahead and put all the inserts in a separate pile and all the base cards in the same pile. If you haven't already, I've added a lot more. I'm going to be adding a lot more cards to the webpage. I just started adding the World Baseball Classic WBC cards, and I know they played in 06, 09, and I think 2012. Is it every 3 years? I don't remember. Anyway, I'm adding all those, and I'm adding all Korean cards of players that reference South Korea. What is the one? I'm not sure if I have this one. Junyu Soo. Like I said, I'm going to try and trade these to friends, these base cards. Hopefully I don't think I have that one. Good. I'm going to try and make KBO cards. .blogspot.com, the best reference for Korean baseball cards, because I know there are not a lot of options out there for people who follow this type of stuff. Very cool. I don't know if I have that one either. And I'm planning on buying a new domain instead of using the blog. I'm thinking about buying a domain, like a .com, and use it as I need, because I feel limited using a blog spot. So I might try something. Oh, cool. EJ Hua. I have that one. Okay. I am still waiting for a release of a new team set other than Doosan and Sam. Well, I think this is the 5th pack I've opened, or 4th pack, and it's the 3rd one I've gotten of him. I don't remember if I have him or not. Hopefully I don't. Another Lee Bumho. Hey, this is a shout out to Justin. Look who this is, buddy. Your best friend. All right, Lee Dae-hyung. Oh, cool. I don't think I have that rookie. Very nice. All right. I recently went to Seoul and picked up jerseys of all the teams I was missing. So I have one jersey of each. Oh, nice. Sparkle All-Star. Wow, whoa. Sparkle All-Star refractor. I don't have this card either. Very cool. I now have a jersey of each team, which I'm thrilled about. And there are some variants jerseys that I want to pick up still. Dave in Maryland. His website is JapaneseBaseballCards.blogspot.com. If you want to know anything about Korean baseball cards, go there. He has just Very, very good coverage, great posts. I think it would be beneficial for you Japanese baseball card guys to go. Wow, I think that's like the 4th Lee Bum-ho I've gotten. If you want to know about Japanese baseball cards, go to his blog, JapaneseBaseballCards.blogspot.com. Or is it Japanese cards? Forgive me. I think it's Japanese baseball cards. I know I have that one. Dang. Alright. Justin or Dave, let me know if you're going to need any of these inserts. Awesome. SS, I don't know if I have this one. I don't think I do. That'd be sweet. Alright. Justin, your best friend. Kim Sang-soo. I think I have this one. I'm not sure. Awesome. Leon Q. I know I don't have this one. Very cool. I will put all these doubles together and see if I can make any sets to trade. John Barron, I know you're out there. If you're listening, oh, Lisa, yep, cool. Trying to, what was I going to say? I know you need a bunch of cards, so I'll try and put some sets together for you. This All-Star I do not have. Yeah, All-Star. Lee Sung-yup is huge. He's been on the Daegu Lions for a while, and he's represented Korea very well in the World Baseball Classics. Ah, awesome. I don't have this big star either. Cool. Some of these cards are really cool. I do like some of these. But as we all know, who opens these packs, the card distribution could be wanting for more because they have so many dupes. There we go again. Hopefully it's different. I'm not sure if I have this one. Bak Jung-yoon. But I like the refractor. That's pretty cool. Alright, I think I have 4 more packs for this box. Not sure. Dong Sub-Shim. Yep. I have that one. Dang it. Alright, 2 more packs. Well, I don't think I have that big star. Sung-hee Kim. Alright, last pack. The good thing is I got an SS card I did not have. And I think there's at least 3 or 4 All-Star big stars that I did not have. So I will add those to my completed list. I have this one. Dang it. Alright, well I got some dupes of some good players. But let's go ahead and go through these the inserts that I got. All right, so I guess this, I don't think I posted this on my blog yet, but it appears each box will have 4 rookie cards. All right, let me sort through these. All-Star, Big Star, All-Star, Big Star, All-Star, Big Star, All-Star, SS, All-Star, S. I got 2 SS's. I always thought there was 1 SS per box. I could be wrong. Okay, rookie, All-Star Sparkle, rookie, All-Star, rookie, All-Star, All-Star, Big Star, rookie. All right, so I got these 4 rookies. So this is 1 box, 20 packs. 4 rookies. 4 big stars. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 All-Stars, 1 All-Star Sparkle, and 2 SS's. So that's what I got in this box. I'm going to do another box break. I have another box next to me that I'll do. I'm going to do that in a separate video. So I'll have to keep track of the SS's because I always thought you only got 1 S per box. All right. Take care, everybody. See ya.